winter, it's soup season. Let's make red lentil soup. We've got our vegetables. We've got some onion. We've got some garlic. I've got 4 cloves of garlic, and this is a carrot and a half. You can either chop these up by hand or I'm gonna just throw them in the food processor. I've got my pan over medium high. I added some olive oil and then just dropped in our vegetables and our garlic, and I'm gonna just saute them until they're translucent. While the vegetables are cooking, I'm gonna just rough dice up 1 sweet potato. We're gonna season as we go. So I'm adding some salt and some pepper, some cumin, a little bit of chili powder, and I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of tomato paste. So I'm gonna add a cup of red lentils. Red lentils cook faster than green or black lentils. Add a quart of stock. You can use whatever kind of stock you want. I'm using vegetable stock. Then we're gonna put our sweet potatoes in, and then we're gonna simmer the whole thing for about 30 minutes until the potatoes are soft. Simmering away, and we are gonna blend it like partially. You don't have to do this at all. You can leave it chunky, but I like it sort of half blended. But I have some leftover spinach, so I'm gonna just toss it in. So the last thing we're gonna do is just add the juice of 1 lemon to just add a little bit of acidity and brightness. Try it. So good, gotta try this.